Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about a poem called After School. After school. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But perhaps she doesn't mind. So, today we are going to learn about a poem after school. We'll start one by one. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. So, students, when you go to school, do you feel happy? Yes. So, we go to school to learn and to gain knowledge. We enjoy our time there and we like to go to school. But we also want to play, enjoy with our friends, right? So, although we like to go to school, we are rather. What does rather mean? Rather mean somewhat. Okay? We are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. So here our new words are although. Although means even though. Slates. What does slates mean? Slates mean small chalkboard. Rather means somewhat. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But perhaps she doesn't mind. Now, once the bell rings and the school is over, do y'all run out of the class to have fun? Yes. So, once the bell rings and the school is over, the children run off to play and to have fun, also described as romp. What does romp mean? Romp mean to run wild. The teacher, who is good and kind. Kind, what does kind mean? Kind means caring. So, the teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But perhaps means maybe she does not mind. It's all right because teacher understands that the children needs to enjoy themselves and take part in outdoor activities. So the teacher does not mind staying all by herself. So students, by this poem, the central idea is in the poem, the poet talks about enjoying simple things in life. It tells us to appreciate and cherish the present moment. The poet tells us to enjoy simple things, like whenever you cry, you did not do this, you did not do your homework, teacher shouted. You should not cry. You should take it as a motivation and do better next time. Okay? So, every time something happens, you should not live thinking what will happen, what has happened. You should live in the present moment. Thank you, students.